Thinking of how much it's going to cost to repair the dents and scratches on your car or the servicing cost? Wondering whether the car workshop accepts credit cards or a credit card installment plan? Trying to decide whether to go to an authorized workshop or an independent workshop? Thinking about which workshops to go to? Wouldn't it be great if you could have the information at your fingertips? It's now possible with RepairCarJobs.com. No more unpleasant feeling that you are uninformed when you visit the next car workshop. Here's how it works. Register and sign in as a car owner. Post a new job. Enter vehicle details, select service provider location, select the service needed, how soon you need the work, and any other information. Wait for quotes to come in. Ask questions, compare prices and reviews. Select the service provider and head down to the workshop. Wait no more. Give it a try today.